Amid the glitz and glamour of LA's Hollywood Hills zip code, a gory crime has unfolded. First a matter of disappearance, it then became a case of homicide earlier this month. But the story is a maze, with a celebrity in the spotlight, some unexplained connections or coincidences, and many, many unanswered questions. Let's start at the very beginning. September 2025. Among the many vehicles at a tow station in Hollywood Hills, one car in particular draws attention. A worker at the tow yard notices a foul odor emanating from an impounded Tesla and calls the Los Angeles Police Department. Officials arrive at the scene and find dismembered human remains, a separated head and torso inside a bag in the front trunk of the Tesla. The medical examiner's report said that the body was severely decomposed, to the point that even the victim's gender could not be identified when it was found. The identity was eventually revealed. The human remains were of Celeste Rivas Hernandez, a 15-year-old girl who went missing more than 18 months ago. The case only gets more dramatic from here. The impounded car with Celeste's body belongs to a new age musical star, David Anthony Burke. The musician was on tour when investigating officials reached out to him and his team. Burke's team then said that the 20-year-old celebrity was cooperating with authorities. He's even cancelled the rest of his tour. Is David Burke implicated in the case? Not at the moment, no. But there is a lot that is unknown or unconfirmed. Why was his car impounded? Was the body in the car when it was abandoned? Who was driving the Tesla before it was stowed away? Officials say Celeste's body parts appear to have been deceased inside the car for an extended period of time. That raises even more questions on what the young singer did or did not know. But there are signs pointing to Burke knowing Celeste in person. Since her death has come to light, several photos of Burke and Celeste have circulated on social media, and it has raised suspicion, curiosity, and questions on how the two knew each other. Many rumors and reports are circulating about Celeste and the 20-year-old celebrity. It is being claimed that both of them have matching tattoos. Now, it's possible the tattoos are a mere coincidence, since the design in question has been popular with many celebrities in the past few years. So far, the probe has not officially revealed any clarity on any of these theories, any of these claims. But 75 miles away from the high-profile zip code is Lake Elsinore, where Celeste lived with her family. For many months, missing person posters have been sighted in the deceased teenager's neighborhood. Officials are not releasing much information about the missing case after a report was filed in February 2024. In retrospect, whatever seems to have remained unsolved in the past year and a half may have answers to the murder of a young teenager. So far, there is no known motive, no known criminal, no timeline for murder. Just a young victim whose life was suddenly cut short.